Mayong buntag mga dong, mga day. Niabot na ko din sa Bohol. And kung bago ka sa akong channel, my name is Cheno. And today, Cheno goes to Bohol. Wait, I already said Bohol. Okay. Made it to Bohol. Let's go. So excited, guys. Hi, Kuya.
Sir, may I help you, sir?
Oh.
Okay, thank you po.
Ate Inday and Gilbert.
Hello.
So,
Nice to
good
meet you.
afternoon. Welcome.
Thank you.
And this is the house with 3 areas. The main villa, the garden view, and the sunset view. And now your room is in main villa.
Oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
Here we,
Anyone else here po? Or
kayo lang po. Exclusive
Oh,
sa
okay.
inyong lima. So, this is
wow.
your home
Wow,
until
ganda.
30?
30, yes.
So this is our room here, guys, where we'll be staying in this massive villa. Plenty of space. Oh my gosh. I'm ready, bro. Nice to meet everyone.
Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna go straight in. I'm really sweaty.
No, this is crazy, my brother.
What's good, bro? What's good?
Nice to meet you guys.
It's nice to meet you.
Dude, we're like walking here. I'm like, okay, let's be quiet because like we need to grab our cameras. You know?
Oh, too late. Get a camera and then
Yeah, exactly.
Everyone's here now.
Yes. Yes.
Alex and
Dude.
Cheno are from Australia, actually.
That's right.
They got here. Well, they got to the Philippines a few weeks ago.
Yeah,
fine.
She just
Yeah, got here a couple days ago.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now they're here, joining the adventure.
That's it.
Bohol's not ready, babe.
Bro, wait, they gotta talk for a bit.
I just want to hear you ask.
Wait, just say something.
Hey, bro, what's going on?
Wait, and then say something.
What?
Just say something like, how are
They
you
have the
doing?
Australian accent.
How are you?
Oh.
Hey, that was like, hey.
Dude, music to my ears.
Music to
Hey, are you guys ready for Bohol?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Yeah.
take
So
over.
excited.
We're gonna take over.
We finally arrived to Panglao, Bohol. We're at Alona Beach. I was actually here back in 2017. Dugay na kaayo to. Katong when I was traveling with Dad pa. It's like me and Dad for a bit. But I'm here with new friends. Yeah, how does it feel to be back?
Here.
Not just in the Philippines, but on a beach in the Philippines.
So good. But
Yeah.
I can't wait to just go in the water because I'm literally like sweating.
She's sweating
so
like crazy.
much.
I mean, I'm sweating quite a bit too. So
yeah, I'm
we're
so
gonna
excited.
find a little, like a quiet spot that we can chill at.
It's perfect.
Tapos, musulod na sa dagat. Kay, init na kayo ba? Init na kaayo. But that's it. So good. Feels so refreshing. It's just right, actually. It's just right. We've just been sweating since we got here, so I think so. Yeah, it is. You should come in, man. Sunod na gid ko sa tubig sa beside sa ocean. I don't know, but Alex is in there. We're having a great time. The water is so calm over in the middle, and yeah, super chill, super relaxing, guys. Smile, brother! Ate, what are you cooking for us today, Tan? Grabe, Tan. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. they're so nice preparing breakfast for us. Gigutom na gid mi ba? Not really. We're not that hungry just yet. Binuang man ni si RJ. So, sige lang binuang sa ila ba.
Hindi pa talaga pag mga vlogger. Ayaw anak mo.
Ayaw kaya anak daw.
Bisaya ka, sir?
Kabalog Bisaya.
Ay, very good.
So,
May
wala ba
kakampi
kami natin dahil maglibak namin sa mga amigo natin.
May kakampi kami. Okay kaya.
Okay, kaya.
Ulit.
Okay kaya. Okay kaya. Uy, joke.
So much energy. It's always a joke with Ape. First up on the schedule, we got Graham's ATV. We're gonna be driving through the Chocolate Hills, and I've done it before, but I'm keen to do it again. So we are about to hop on the ATVs and the buggy at the back. This is gonna be a mad fun adventure. The sun is out, and we're ready to play. Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, that was good.
I'm in trouble. Maybe. Are you having fun so far?
It's so good. You can tell by my sweat that I'm having so much fun.
So we are taking a quick break whilst a couple of the guys are looking for the sunnies. The ride has been very scenic here. Dini sa Bohol ba, dagan kay mga hills, obviously Chocolate Hills. Lingaw kaayo ka ng ATV ba, magkuan lang, mag-drift, sliding and skidding, and yeah, there's more to this. I think the guys are here. There they are. They might have found it, they might not. How'd you go?
And we found it.
Got it?
Let's go. We found it.
Good job. This is the steps to one of the viewpoints for the Chocolate Hills. So we're about to head up, and I will show you the views from up there. Saan naman kuya? Kami lang masaka? Okay ka? Sige. Uban ni mi?
Okay, tara.
Ay, uban ba ka?
Oo.
Okay. So mauban si kuya sa amo. Kaya basi mahulog mi. Dili man pod. But yeah, we'll go up.
"20 minutes later."
Almost at the top, puffing like crazy, but the views are absolutely gorgeous. I'm not even at the top yet, so let's keep going. We got Alex over there, Cheno and RJ's still down there. Grabe guys, ang viewpoint ni kay Chada kay kaayo. You've got the Chocolate Hills right there. I mean, we're on a chocolate hill right now, pero grabe kay Chada din sa taas. Pero kikapoy lang ko baka init kayo, tapos going up, the steps were really steep, walking up, so yeah, but pretty worth it. Quick walk up this hill. You've got all the Chocolate Hills just right in the background. It's amazing.
Where? Oh, is that RJ? That has to be RJ.
Surely this is RJ.
That has to be RJ.
RJ, come here. That's RJ's drone. Thanks for getting the shot, bro.
Hey. He's doing it then. He's doing it. Wait.
Again.
Yeah, he's doing
That means
it.
again.
One more.
Keep waving.
That means again.
Okay.
Okay, 3.
Wait,
There we
let's
go.
come past. Let's
Yeah,
come
go.
past. Okay, ready?
Wish that we could go back, more than just a throwback. Baby, only you and me. Chasing after sunsets, back when we were young and living on a movie screen. We were so in love, we never thought about where we were going. Could we take a moment and relive the days when we were back in California? Let's go back in time.
Hey, let's go. That's so sick. Thanks, bro. Can you hear me?
How'd you guys like this view?
It's
man, it's
amazing.
First time at the Chocolate Hills, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, it is beautiful here. It's quite hot today, but it was all worth it.
Yeah.
Look at that view. Oh my
Painting.
gosh.
We're here at the side at South Palms Resort. And this beach is just looking beautiful, guys. The sky, the water, this is so calming, so relaxing. Hey, give us a swing, bro. That's amazing.
Oh, this is so nice.
That looks incredible, man. The water's actually so blue, the sky is just...
And it's not as busy here.
Yeah, plenty of space. Oh my god.
Just one night. Let's go back in time.
Let me join you, bro.
Oh, the water's so salty.
Oh, is it?
This was probably one of the best nights I've had in a long time. We went in for a quick dip in the ocean, got a few drinks, and pretty much poured our hearts out. Then Alex decided, why don't we jump into the ocean in complete darkness?
Let's go. Let's go. Holy crap, dude. So nice. Oh, it feels so good, man.
All right, enough of this gooey show of emotion.
4 days later, and we've made it to the man-made forest here in Bohol. So kanisha, man-made, good. It's kind of beautiful over there, where the trees just overhang slightly, and they kind of make an arch over the road. It's quite pretty, and we literally just saw a video being uploaded online, and we might try something similar. The problem is, murag koan ba dagan kay mga sakyanan mo labay, so you really have to be careful when you go here, guys. Okay? It's a popular spot, but there's like trucks, there's cars. Delikado gyud din guys, so kailangan nyo magtanaw left and right, make sure you're with someone. But yeah, awesome spot. Kung di ka makakita, dagan kay tao din na sa kanang the end of the road, o dagan yung mga van. So this is definitely a popular spot for people to just take photos. I want us to get this really cool drone shot of the crew kind of running in the middle of the road. I know that's irresponsible, but man, it's so good here. But we'll see. It's super busy, and I don't know if we're even gonna get a nice shot out of it, so we'll see how we go. So RJ's been getting some sick drone shots.
Yeah, I'll give it to you, man.
This whole trip.
I got you.
Make sure you subscribe to this guy.
Nah, man.
King of FPV. But let's just not mention that.
I know, let's just not mention Bohol, bro. Watch out.
Yeah. His drone shots are so good. Like,
Oh, that's cool. Like them taking
they're right in the back. Oh my gosh. Anyway, make sure you subscribe to him. So for our final iconic spot here in Bohol, naami din sa Tarsier Conservation Area. And yeah, so this is one of the spots I also visited 5 years ago. You wouldn't expect the size of these tarsiers, because in the photos they always blow them up to be huge, to be big. Kind of like that in the background. Look at that. So they really set your expectations to be like, oh, they're gonna be big. But yeah, let's go in, guys. 100 lang ba?
Opo.
100.
Ilan po?
Duha lang. Sige. So I've actually seen the tarsiers about twice now. This would be my third time. But for them, it's their first time, so they're pretty surprised with like what the size of the tarsier actually is. They're like the size of your fist, sometimes even smaller. And yeah, very cool experience. They're so chill. They're like mini koalas, I guess. Just chilling, clinging onto the branches. So right now, we've got the most action from this tarsier. Nagkaon siya ba? Nangaon lang siya. Like chewing on whatever food. Looking up, and yeah.
Yeah, he's looking. That's the spot. He's looking at it.
Work it.
So RJ has got the good lens for us, so we'll overlay some of that footage as well. Heading down, bro?
Yeah.
Go ask the kuya.
I'm gonna see if the eyeball will tell me my future.
So Kuya is telling us to head down, and we're hoping RJ can get a closer shot.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video showing the iconic spots of Bohol. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. Watch out for the next upload because we're going to be doing the most epic adventures here in Bohol that you wouldn't think of even doing here. It's not, like I said, it's not just the chocolate hills or the tarsiers. There's a lot more. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.